This lesson is going to cover cut, copy, and paste. I'll show you what the differences are between cut, copy, and paste, as well as how to use the functions and the shortcut keys.
Cut, copy, and paste. Features that I use a lot, and you probably do too. If you're not using them a lot, you're probably wanting to know how you do that. So I will go over 2 ways to do cut, copy, and paste. I will show you via the ribbon, and actually I might show you 3. I will show you via the keyboard, and I'll show you via the shortcut menu. So we will show you 3 different ways to cut, copy, and paste. To do anything, you still need to select what you're wanting to cut, copy, or paste. So if I wanted to, let's say, move this sentence, I need to highlight it. And if I want to move something, we're really going to use cut here because I want to take it away from being the middle sentence and put it somewhere else. So I'm going to use cut, which is found in the ribbon, Home, Clipboard Group, Cut. So now that I've cut it, it has disappeared. Now I have to choose where I want it to go. So let's say I want it to be the first sentence on my page. So I am going to hit enter so that my line goes down, and that way I can put my cursor above the word hey. Now that my cursor is there, I can go back to the clipboard group over here, and I can just click paste. You'll notice you could just click on the clipboard rather, or you could click the down arrow. I recommend just going ahead and clicking on the clipboard, and I'll show you why. So now I've clicked on the clipboard, and now my sentence is pasted back onto my document. I'm going to hit the backspace to remove that additional space that was inserted there. If you click the down arrow, it's not that you can't paste it. You just generally get all of these options and sometimes even more options. And sometimes that can be confusing. Now you'll notice as I scroll over these, it kind of shows you what it's going to do as well. You'll see some changes. But most of the time you're just doing a simple paste. I would just click the top of the button versus the down arrow. Okay, so again, just kind of backspacing off of that. So now it actually pasted what we had on our clipboard twice. And if I hit paste again, it should do it a 3rd time. So as long as you've copied it, you can continue, or cut it, as long as it's to your clipboard, you can continue to paste it. So now I want to do something else. I want to actually copy. I want to go to the mall. So I'm highlighting it. I'm going to go to my clipboard group, click copy, and then I can select where I want it to be pasted. So I'll paste it down below, click the paste on the clipboard, and now I have copied it. So what that did was now I have a duplicate, where typically cutting something, it doesn't allow for the duplicate. I'm going to show you cut one more time. So I cut, and then I paste, and now I've only got it once. The only reason we had these multiple times is I showed you paste multiple times. So copy is definitely going to leave you more than one of whatever you copied. Cut is going to essentially allow you to move something. And then paste is going to put it whatever you have either cut or copied back on to the paper. So let's talk about the shortcuts on the keyboard. Control plus C equals copy. Control plus V equals paste. And Control plus X equals cut. So I'm going to show you these things with this information here. So if I do Control C and I come down under Control Cut and I Control V it to paste it, now I've got my duplicate. If I highlight Control X to cut it and I use Control X, now I have cut it. I'm either taking it away and never putting it back on my paper, or I'm taking it away and now I'm going to paste it back under this Control Copy. So that was Control V to paste it again. So Control C copy, Control V paste, Control X cut. If you ever forget, you can actually scroll over these options in the clipboard group and it will tell you the shortcut key for the keyboard. Now the reason the cut and the copy is not available right now, it's grayed out, is because I don't have nothing highlighted or selected. And now these are options. So if you don't see the option to cut or copy something, it's likely that you have not highlighted it. So I told you I was going to show you a third way. The third way is using this shortcut. And you can highlight what you want, and on your mouse you would right click. And now it brings up the cut, copy, paste option again. So I can copy, hit enter, right click on my mouse, click paste. I can right click, copy, right click, paste. So you can either use your clipboard group, you can use your control keys, or you can right click on your mouse, which will also give you the same options. That's how you copy, cut, and paste.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.